Hello everyone, welcome to I am Learning Studio. This video is going to very helpful for mothers who want to boost reading skills in their kids. You don't have to spend a lot of time. You have to just give it 10 to 15 minutes daily. By using these flashcards, your child will learn a lot. So these flashcards are totally handmade. I just take a print out of these words, and then I cut one by one, and then I just laminate with a tape. So this is the easiest way to make these flashcards. So now we will learn one by one what, for, this, with, help, are, they, why, from, me, want, does, had, good, got, him, has, are, of, have, be, the, now, her, she, were, she, was, like, your, he, give, of, come, sad, at, down, yes, is, I, on, go, am, not, an, at, play, so, that, can, it, in, no, look, up, my, his, by, very, do, to, who, to. Start with the first 10 flashcard, the easiest words. You have to choose the easiest word according to your child. Then move when your child will learn these and then read them confidently, then move to the next 5 more. In this way, step by step, you have to cover all the 60 flashcards. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe the channel.